Hey, Rob Romarino here with Sentry Equipment, and if you're looking to make your own product, whether it be ice cream, Italian ice, gelato, sorbet, or any type of novelty, our extensive batch freezer line is really what you need to capitalize on this feature. When you make your own product, not only are you saving product costs rather than buying it wholesale, but you're also building your own brand. And really in this industry and in this market and today's environment, there's nothing better than being able to offer your own brand to your customers. At Sentry, we will give you the recipes, the training, the consultation, and marketing support you need to make homemade products the next big profit center in your store. Call us today and learn more about adding homemade, handmade, handcrafted products to your store.